In this video, you'll learn how to verify your domain in Google Workspace. Verifying your domain is an important step because it proves that you own the domain and allows Google services like Gmail, Calendar, and Drive to work properly with your custom email address. If this step isn't completed, you may not be able to fully use Google Workspace with your domain, so let's walk through it carefully. First, sign into the Google admin console using your administrator account. This has to be an admin level account, not a regular user, otherwise you won't see the right options. Once you're signed in, look toward the top left of the screen for the main navigation icon, often called the menu or the hamburger icon. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click on that menu icon. A panel will open on the left side of your screen showing a list of options. From here, go to the section labeled Account. This is where Google keeps the main settings related to your organization and domain. Inside the Account section, look for the option called Domains. Click on Domains and then choose Manage Domains. This page shows all the domains associated with your Google Workspace account, including your primary domain and any additional domains or aliases you might have added. On the Manage Domains page, find the domain you want to verify. Next to that domain, you should see an option that says Verify Domain. Click on Verify Domain. This starts Google's domain verification process and opens a setup tool that guides you through what you need to add to your domain's DNS settings. When the setup tool opens, it will generate a unique record for your domain. This is a special verification code that Google uses to confirm that you own the domain. On the screen, look for a value that looks similar to this. Google's site verification, ABC123XYZ example code. Your actual code will be different, but it will follow the same pattern, starting with Google site verification and then a long, unique string of letters and numbers. Carefully copy this entire value. It's important that you copy it exactly as it appears with no extra spaces or missing characters, because this is what your domain host will use to prove to Google that you control the domain. Usually, you'll paste this value into a TXT record or a similar DNS record at your domain registrar or hosting provider. If you're unsure where to paste it, most registrars have a DNS or DNS management area where you can add new records. Once you've copied the verification value from the Google admin console, keep that tab open so you can return to it after you've added the record to your DNS settings. It can take some time for DNS changes to update across the internet, so don't worry if verification doesn't happen instantly. After you've added the record at your domain host, you can go back to the Google admin console and continue the verification process by following the prompts on screen. And that's the core of verifying your domain in Google Workspace: signing into the admin console, going to Account, then Domains, selecting Manage Domains, clicking Verify Domain next to your domain, and copying the unique Google site verification record that Google gives you.